Okay, somebody asked me to cover how it's wired inside. Here's the drone battery, and it's kind of hard to do this one-handed. It's mounted in this fixture here, so we can remove it and recharge it. And the power connectors are down here, and the first thing it hits right here is a 7.5 amp fast flow fuse, and then it's wired with 14 gauge wire all the way around to the rear here. And then these buck converters here take the 14 volts or 15 volts that's coming in from the battery here and convert that into 5 volts, and then that feeds, in this case, this battery over here feeds the top half of the ball. And then there's another battery further around that feeds the bottom half of the ball. And in here, mounted, normally the backpack straps hang right in here, and then mounted behind them is a Raspberry Pi Model 2B. And this Wi-Fi adapter is going to get moved to outside the ball, because once she fully covers this, the outside of this ball with the foil tape, it's not going to get a Wi-Fi signal in here. But off the GPIO pins over here, I feed a buffer chip here, so if we get any shorts in the pixels here, it'll take out the chip rather than the Pi. And in that, because I was running into SD card corruption every time I would power down the Pi here, this USB cable is coming from a USB battery pack over here, and I ran this Pi without the LEDs on for 12 full hours, and that pack only dropped 1 bar of the battery, so that will be quite sufficient for her to run this during the day. And then as you can see here, we've got brackets here where the shoulder straps from an old backpack that she blew out the zippers for, we cut the straps off, and then they're simply held on with wire ties. And then I have up here the front end to a flexible bracket here that's wired to one of the large hoops that's welded to the interior of the ball, so she can actually wear it like a backpack. So the full weight of the ball is taken here on the shoulder straps. Someone asked what this would look like during the day. I said these are standard 5-volt pixels, and this is outside on a very sunny day. But this is not the environment it was meant to run in. It was built to run at night on Halloween and indoors in the school, which the lighting level is going to be a bit less than what this sunlight is out here. So there's what it looks like during the day.